Hi, I'm here for part two of how to reduce or quit a habit. Hopefully you have done part one, and I don't know if it's helped you or not. And if you're here first, that's okay too. So just take a moment to lie down where you are or wherever you feel the most comfortable. And once you arrive, take a moment to notice your breathing. Inhaling slowly through the nose, imagining receptivity, being open. And as you exhale, releasing resistance, releasing all resistance. Imagine releasing the whole version of you that has this habit. Just imagine. Let it fade into memory. Let it absolve into nothing for a moment. Feel any difference in your body as you imagine this going away for a moment into nothing. And then imagine the next time you feel an urge for this habit that you might take a drink of water or eat a snack. You might look around for a moment, or take a moment to breathe. You might go to the bathroom to wash your face, or take a moment. And you might take a moment to feel the quality of your attention. Feel the quality of your attention now. When you feel an urge for this craving, you might reduce your intensity. See if you can reduce your intensity now. As you feel an urge for this habit, you might allow and just observe it neutrally. Observe it neutrally now, without charge, no emotional charge. Complete neutrality around the subject. You might hear silence and fall into that silence during your urge or transition moment. And just notice silence for a moment. You might take a moment to appreciate. Appreciate anything. Yourself, your heart, your life, your grace, someone you love, something you love. Feel appreciation now. When you feel tempted, you might remember that you are not the old identity that once needed this habit. You might remember and recognize that in the moment. As you observe in these times, or at any times, let your observation be clear and neutral, not lacking, clear, less intense, no emotional charge. You might become tied to an emotion. So what to do then? What to release? First, you could expand your intuition. Expand your intuition. 3 finger widths below your belly button is your lower dantian. In your lower belly, breathe into that place now and imagine and believe that you are expanding your intuition. Imagine a gold ball in the center there, and each inhalation expands it and brightens it. In the lower abdomen, as you breathe, expanding your intuition, feeling that it's been contracted and it's been silenced and it's been excluded. Allow the gold ball to glow even brighter. And move your attention now to your heart. You might place a hand on your heart. Feel that you've been disconnected from the heart. Imagine the back of your heart opening, expanding into flowers with sunshine on the back of your heart. Feeling the warmth, feeling green light and energy spilling out from your heart, reaching every part of your body and your energetic field that needs healing. The heart has been disconnected and less able to expand, so expand it now. It's been holding contradiction. It's been pleading. It's been bracing and silenced. Listen to the heart now as you allow it to expand, growing flowers in the back, spilling out green energy to heal the body. Feeling that the heart has been disconnected from this action, so it feels unable to breathe, and allow it to breathe now. And just breathe and notice. You feel more connected to your heart. Feel that you're now ready for that pull in that old direction. Emotions that were suppressed will arise. You can see them, feel them, and then release them. It might help to name it as it's happening. I see this. I feel this. I release this. So breathe now like you're free from habits. Breathe now as though you were sovereign. Breathe now as though you are aligned. You are who you said you would be. Breathe now like you are sure. Release any resistance to letting go of the habit. You can still choose it, but let go of the resistance now to releasing the habit. In the body and in the breath, in the heart and in the intuition. The thought will come in like a train, driving straight towards you. When it does, stop the train. You can choose to step out of the way of the train or stay in the way of the train. If you are choosing to step out of the way of the train, which is the thought that's coming in about the habit, take an actual step in a different direction. Say, do I agree with this thought? If no, if it's not aligned, let the train pass by. Stay where you are. Let it go into the distance and watch it. And then picture yourself healthy as you place your hands together, either imagining your future self being healthy or just saying that you know that you're healthy and feeling it in your heart. But if you can imagine where you have felt the healthiest or where you might, and what that temperature or sensation would be like, and just any way you place your hands together is fine. You're committing to a vision. Once you say yes again to that, step again. Doesn't matter which direction you step in, just know you're stepping in the direction of yes. Yes to the heart. Yes to step aside from the train. Yes to building up your image. Yes to feeling it in all of your senses. You will be okay, no matter what. But remember, every choice is a vote for who you are. When you feel things from the old personality and they're not aligned, you can choose to release them, but every choice is yours. I wish you luck on your journey. I hope you liked these 2 videos. If this helped, let me know so I can make more. And good luck with everything you're doing. Come back to this as much as you can, if needed. And thank you so much for being here.